The MS setup within the task pane here has some useful functions for users. We can change the role between standard and advanced, which will give us access to more views. And here we can set predefined views. So we can select the views by clicking on this, and we can choose which ones are relevant for us, and then we can save as these 5 different default setups. Within this instrument tab here, we can set the temperatures of the source and the transfer line by left-clicking here. So this is not set within your instrument method and needs to be defined before running the system. So we set the source temperature here, and we set the transfer line temperature here. We can then hit apply. We can also vent and pump down the system here. So currently the system is under vacuum. So if I click here where it says 100% speed vacuum, it then gives me the option to vent. It will then give me 3 options. Vent now, you should avoid this. Cool down, which will cool the source temperatures down to below 100 and then vent the system, preventing the source from becoming oxidized. Or if you've made a mistake and you don't want to vent, you can click don't vent. We can also read the manifold temperature here. There are other options available, such as air and water report here, electronic diagnostics and standbys. Some of these things are more useful for a service engineer, but you may be asked to run these remotely in order to give a service engineer an idea of what is wrong with the system.